Hello, welcome back to my channel because it has been a long while. I was gonna vlog my family trip, but it was just really fun and being with them and things like that. But anywho, I just got off work. I work at Maryhill. But yeah, so I got off work. We're about to go to LA. I'm going with the girls, so I am very excited. But yeah, you've seen them in my vlogs before. But I'm so excited to go. We're gonna go to LA. We're going to Knott's Berry Farm tomorrow. And yeah, so we're flying down tonight. So anywho, I'm gonna go get ready. So let's go watch me get ready. Ready? I'm gonna get ready. So on the count of 3, I'm gonna jump and get ready. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh! We are so ready. We're wearing dresses this weekend. I'm very excited. Here's my dress. Ready? So this is what we're wearing. Here's the outfit. I'm gonna go finish packing, finalize all my stuff, get some food because I'm really hungry from work, and I'll see you guys at the airport. Bye. Hello, my wonderful human beings. I am in LA. We landed. Landed? Yes.
The front, and I was like, okay, the back. No one sits in the back, so.
Everyone's like
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
hello, so I am finally back home. It is like 8:20 in the morning. We landed here around like 7:20ish. Got out 7:30ish. But yeah, so anywho, the trip was really fun. Friday night, we just had pizza, chilled and talked. Woke up, went to Knott's Berry Farm yesterday, and then we were there till like 12. We didn't leave till 12 o'clock because we're trying to finish up one more ride. And then after that, we got in and out, went to the house, and we're like, oh my god, we need to sleep. We didn't get home till 1:30 in the morning, and we had to leave the house at 4:15 in the morning to catch our flight back to Sac. But anywho, I am really tired. I'm gonna get some sleep. I think this vlog is kind of short, but I have no idea. I feel like I didn't film a lot. But anywho, it'll be just a fun, quick vlog anyways for you guys, because I haven't uploaded in a while. But anywho, I will see you guys on my next trip. Hopefully, I think the next one right now that I have going on is in October with my boyfriend. But I don't have anything sooner than that, I think. So I'll see you guys again in October. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And I will see you guys on the next trip. Bye!